Yo, what's up guys, my name is Kyrie Esse and I'm back again with another sample. And in today's video I'll be breaking down a trap sample, and for this trap sample I started with keys from CS80V from Arturia, and this is how the keys sound like. So I wanted a repetitive pattern, so I played just easy keys, and I wish I had the MIDI to show you, but I don't have right now because I consolidated the sounds and I probably also deleted the sound that has the MIDI. But for the second part of the keys, I just brought them down an octave. I then added a bass from CS80V also, and this is how the bass sounds like. I then took the same keys that I played earlier on, I restretched them, and I also pitched them a little bit, and this is how it sounds like. So it's the same pattern as the previous keys. The only difference is that I restretched them, as well as I pitched them up by 12 cents, I think, if I'm not mistaken. I then added another bass to add to the bass that I had, because I felt like it was too thin. And this bass is from a plugin called Morphine, and it sounds like this. And I then added another set of keys, but these keys are also time stretched also, and now they sound like this. Oh, I'm sorry, I don't think these are keys actually. This was actually a pad from CS80V, which I time stretched to sound like it was really fast. I then added an analog texture from a kit called Wave Crates from Make Shooter. It was a free royalty free pack, and this is how it sounds like. So it was originally a phrase, and I just chopped it in the parts where you see here where there's space. That's where I chopped it to make space and bounce in the sample. I then added a drum loop or a hi-hat loop from Cymatics, and from the pack is called Magic City. The BPM is 158. I stretched it to fit the BPM of the sample, which is 140, and this is how it sounds like. And before I play you the final sample, let me show you the effects. So for major of these instruments, I didn't do much. I only added a chorus WS1 on the keys that were stretched, and then for the master I added a sound shifter pitch stereo from waves, and I pitched the whole entire sample by 200 cents if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. Yeah, I think it was 200 cents. And together this is how the sample sounds like. So yeah, that's the final sample. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video if you enjoyed it. And please don't forget to go to the description of this video and download my pack, lunch and dinner. Thank you very much again. I will see you next week.